nangyari na ba sa'yo 'to? When you've invested so much time, effort into something na medyo medyo mahirap ng mag-back out, mahirap ng tigilan kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. For example, let's say, you started reading a book and hindi mo trip yung libro, 'di ba? Na halfway ka na sabi mo, pangit yung libro. But since you've already paid for it, might as well finish the entire book. Or pumunta ka sinehan, then may bagong uso na movie and then you paid for the ticket. And then, while you are watching the movie, sabi mo pangit yung movie, but you decided to finish watching the entire movie kasi binayaran mo siya. That is called sunk cost fallacy. And that one has been discussed in the book, Art of Thinking Clearly. And it happens all the time. Kasi we've invested so much effort, energy, even money into these things that is unreasonable for us to stop it. But in the end, wala tayong mapapala. There is no reward at the end of the line. There's no pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And this is the thing that we should reconsider when we do certain things. Kasi you should evaluate kung worth it ba yung effort that you put to something. Are you going to get a reward or not? We should have the insight to see those things na should I continue or should I just stop? Kasi sometimes you win when you stop, 'di ba? Mas better pala na gawin itong ganitong bagay kaysa sa ganitong bagay. Kasi mas malaki yung reward kaysa sa ginagawa mo that the results are not even outstanding. So, it's one of those things that we should think about much more deeply. And that is the sunk cost fallacy. If you've learned something here, you can like, share to your peers, to anyone you think that can also learn from this. And comment po naman sa comment section below if you've experienced this sunk cost fallacy.